What's up, guys? So in this video I'm going to cover what it takes or how to change the spark plugs in a 2013 ZX6R. I have the bike right here. As you can see, I've already got the airbox cover off. I just did a video on why and what to do there. Obviously the tank has to come off and the side fairings or the side panels. So I'm just going to go over what it takes to get the spark plugs. There's a 10mm right here that has to come out, and these holes on the side of the motorcycle frame actually allow you to get to the clamps that hold this box onto the stacks or onto the throttle bodies. It's a 3mm wrench or Allen wrench that you come in from the side. This is actually be a great thing if you had a T-handle. I just don't have one, but I sure wish I do. I need to get a set of T-handles. But anyway, so yeah, you have to loosen these clamps, and there's one on the other side, and then this should pull off. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. It's just kind of tight to pull off. There you go. So make sure you cover the throttle bodies, intakes, and you can see this is a cheap pair delete. If you're interested, I have block off plates I am going to put there. But now it's ready to get to the spark plugs once I remove this blanket, which I'm... Alright, so as you can see, I've pulled the blanket back, and these are the spark plug coils. I need to unplug these, and I should be able to pull the coils up and get to the plugs. I'm hoping that this mist I've been feeling or hesitation is definitely the plugs. It's a common symptom. So let me go ahead and unplug these and try to get those out. If they're anything like my ZX10, I remember getting those coils out were not easy. Make sure to, which it doesn't look like it looks like it'll be easy to do on this bike. Make sure you keep the coils actually plugs in the right place. Doesn't look like it'd be much of a problem. Doesn't look like you're likely to mix them up here, but so looks like these. I remember these were a pain in the butt to get up. Alright, so old plugs are out. They really don't look really bad. I don't see anything obvious with them. New plugs ready to go in. Reassembly is just the opposite of taking it apart, so I'm going to end this now, but hopefully it helped you a little bit on seeing what it takes to change plugs on a 2013 ZX6R.